Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the default currency in the Yahoo Finance app. This feature is especially useful for users outside the US who prefer to view their financial data in their local currency. Let's get started. First, open the Yahoo Finance app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, select App Settings from the menu that appears. Then tap on Regions and Currencies. You'll see an option labeled Set News Region and Default Currency based on Market Region. Toggle this setting off. Now tap on Default Currency. A list of available currencies will appear. Scroll through and select your preferred currency. Finally, your Yahoo Finance app will display financial data in the currency you've chosen. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others. Thank you for watching.